Guys, previously I made a video on how to make carrot oil using the frying method, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to make carrot oil using the cooking method. Please don't forget to like, comment and share my post for more videos. I'll be using 3 large carrots. First of all, I'll have to peel the carrots. So I'll be using this grater to grate. And I'm done grating. So I'll be transferring it into this jar. Mind you, this is the cooking method. The last one I did was the heating method. So this time around, we're cooking it on a low heat as well. Add your oil inside the jar. Make sure your oil is above the carrots. As you can see, the oil here is above the carrots. So you cover it, not fully, but halfway. You put a little quantity of water on fire, and once it boils, you drop it inside, and then you cover the pot for 5 to 10 minutes. After some minutes, you drop it to get cold before straining it. So after it gets cold, you strain it using a strainer. You leave it for like 5 minutes till the oil finish dropping. As you can see, the oil is still dropping. So you leave it for like 5 minutes.